Ki khubor ka bate si TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjas liang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Ka Meghalaya Postal Division Meghapex 2024 exhibition ka ba arsngi kala poina ka ba kon ka arpo atrik risa araja usau ya ka pelong ha State Convention Center ha ka ba Chief Postmaster General jong North Eastern Circle u Sanjeev Ranjan ulalong kum kongsan ha ringkat ke jingsa khilang jong u SPO Meghalaya Division u ML Das ha kini kisngi la pelong ru ya ka jingkop ba per balai shimenta daki khna school
Dr. Vinay Kumar Sharma.
Meghalaya Postal Division organized philately exhibition. 2 days philately exhibition. Basically, this exhibition is to promote philately among students so that they can inculcate the habit of philately and take it up as their hobby. As you know that presently young generation, they are engaged and indulged in social media, which does not help them out to shape their personality. That's why philately is the best way to build the character, shape the ideology, philosophy, expressions. This will help them in acquiring knowledge across the border. They can come to know the culture, history, humanity, flora, fauna, and development. Because in philately you find that it depicts our history right now from Indus Valley civilization. There is a stamp on Indus Valley civilization also, right now to the present era. So, Department of Post has taken a great endeavor to organize this event. Basically, this event was organized by Meghalaya Postal Division, and it's a great success. Students from various schools participated in different programs organized during this exhibition, and I wish them a great success ahead. Nearly 300 students participated in different programs, different competition held here, and the students from many schools visited to see the exhibits which were displayed by the eminent philatelist. We have also organized competition also. The best exhibits were awarded. We also invited eminent philatelists to display their exhibits, postage stamps which they have collected, and they are award-winning philatelists nationally and internationally, which will inspire the young generation, the students, to adopt philately as the hobby, which is the constructive hobby, and it's the most prestigious to collect stamps, to exhibit stamps. That's why we requested the schools to open philately club in their school so that students can develop the hobby of philately right now from school level itself. Special cover is issued on some important events. So KHADC, it's Autonomous District Council, It plays a great role in the development of the people to commemorate their services to the people of Meghalaya. They came forward that the KHADC must be in the map on the map of philately. That's why they requested to issue a special cover, and this is the best occasion during the philately exhibition that a special cover of KHADC was released yesterday, and definitely it was a great success. If they come forward, because they are the proponent, they have to meet the criteria. Like if they want to go for a special cover release, there are certain norms, there are certain fees to be deposited. Whosoever come forward, if they fulfill the criteria of a special cover, definitely a special cover will be released. First criteria is any building, any school, any college, any monuments which has importance in terms of age, in terms of their service to the nation, service to the people, a special cover can be issued. For that, if they want to release the special cover in their premises, and there is a charge of 1 lakh rupees, and special cover is printed, which they have to pay for the printing charge and postage stamp, and then it is released. If it is released in the premises of Postal Department, then charge is 50,000 rupees. If it is released on holiday, then charge is 2 lakh rupees if it is released in their premises. So these are the criteria, and it should be nothing of that sort which affects the integrity, which affects the sovereignty of the country.